Computex 2018, and we're at the NMAX booth.
This is about our newest, like whatever. Oh, please watch out. And also you can sync with all kinds of motherboards like MSI, Asus, Gigabyte, and also Extra. And if you are not have this is the controller.
Controller?
If you don't have the motherboard sync, then you can just control by this remote control.
All right, so RGB ring fans. I can see there's like
The 4-ring.
what for? Yeah, okay. And
And also the water block can also sync with the motherboard.
oh, you have the water block with RGB syncable with the motherboard. It's a water block and pump. Oh, pumps here.
Pump is like here.
Ah, so I've noticed recently all the pump has a new design, and it's actually on the actual tubing rather than on the actual water block. That gives you more control, I think, and less clutter. So look, let's check this out. The water block here with the flow meter, pump on the actual tubing, radiator 240 millimeter with 120 millimeter fans, two of them in RGB. Nice. Okay, what else do you have?
Actually, we have the new RGB power.
This is the RGB power supply. What wattage?
It's like 850.
850 watt power supply, 80 plus gold, give you that extra efficiency. You have this button here. What does this button do?
This button is RGB switch. You can switch with this button.
RGB
Change the
switch.
lighting.
I can change the lighting in there.
Actually, you also can sync with your motherboard.
Again, syncable with the motherboards for Zeus, yeah,
And
Gigabyte,
we're
and
going to put it too.
different
Because
motherboards.
This is just the mock-up. So
All right, cool. All right, so this is new, launching this year. When? Q3?
I think Q3 or
Q3. All right,
And
nice.
also LED strips. is
Oh,
like-
LED strips, very nice. Okay, see that there? Ring fan inside as well. 850 watts, 80 plus gold. All right, okay, so any more stuff?
How about our cases?
Ah, new cases, check it out. This is a new NMAX range of cases. We have this one here, Sabre.
Sabre.
Yeah,
We launched last month.
all right.
And-
Last month with nice LED strips right here.
And also 3
that
TV RGB fences
Yeah.
installed, so you can. It's a
All
quick
right,
release.
just clips off. You have nice three fans here with RGB ring fans from the NMAX range of coolers, right?
And also can sync with motherboards, or you want to change just by the cases.
All right, so manual switch of color, or you
Or
sync it with your
this is
motherboard.
The mode, the lighting mode, and also sync with motherboards.
All right, motherboard. So the controls on the top here allows you then to sync with motherboards, or you can have light manual control of the case's lighting effects. Okay, cool. So this just notches back on.
So let me do it for you.
Okay.
So it's,
This is tempered glass, right, on this side?
it's tempered glasses for the yes, and also the front, like the top
Ah,
panel is also.
so you have like these kind of switch just push down to unlock and release.
And actually, it's the same size as the front panel, so you can just switch.
Yeah.
We
All
offer
right,
you
so the front
several
and
options.
I got you. So these, if I just push this again,
Here.
these two are the same size, which means I can either put the glass or the see-through perspex ones on top, so you can see through it, or on the mesh holes in the front, or vice versa. Ah,
Actually,
interesting.
we'll offer you 2 mesh panel and 1 acrylic.
All
panel.
right, so
you got 3.
so the kit then comes with 2 mesh and one
one
window. Okay, nice. Tempered glass here, PSU cover. You can say it's a full-size ATX motherboard, suitable for radiators. Yes, you can fit a 360.
4 locations for the radiator installation.
Yeah, at the top, at the front, and on the side, right?
And also the rear.
And the rear. Yep. Nice. Okay, this is available right now on the market.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Just launched it for like last month.
Right, and this one is a new version, a white version. Okay.
The limited edition.
A limited edition. So you won't get many of these out. This is a limited edition. Again, it's all in white. Now, if you look at this and imagine you have all your components in there, very clean. You can see all your stuff in there. So if you want one of those builds where you want to see your components, you can see all of the stuff here. The white actually helps bring up the components, and you can see that radiator there at the top, a 240, all in one. And then on this side, then you got to see the NMAX ring fans, 120 millimeter there, and also in the front here to give you all that RGB lighting effects. Pretty cool.
It's also addressable, like it's addressable with the motherboard.
Again, yeah, adjustable with the motherboards. This is an Asus motherboard, or MSI, so Mystic Link, the Mystic Light Sync to give you that syncing of the RGB colors. Great. Okay, moving on. What do we have?
And also this one is like the really advanced one. We will like introduce the Type C and also in here.
Oh, so similar but with now Type C.
And also two sides are the tempered glasses with.
Oh, both sides tempered glass. And this one pulls off.
Like this.
Okay, pulls off. Ah, right. Okay.
Can you show me? I can do another way, like from here. So
All right, I got you. So this one allows you for quick access. You just push down and release, and that comes off, and then gives you access, easy access on both sides with tempered glass. So this is a both tempered glass version, new, high end.
That's true.
All right, okay. I've seen some stuff over here. I want to check it out. What is this one? This is the new all-in-one?
Yes, it's a new one, but it is special edition for the Asus TUF Gaming Alliance.
Ah, right. So NMAX have included the TUF Gaming Alliance. So this is one of their products now, which is TUF Gaming Alliance kind of certified, where you have the radiator and obviously the ring fans.
Adjustable with the motherboard.
Adjustable with the TUF Gaming Alliance motherboards. This is with RGB as well. It looks very nice with the water block in here. It looks very, very futuristic and robust. Again, with the TUF Alliance labeling on there to show that it's compatible with the rest of the TUF Alliance gaming range. All right. Okay, so these are the coolers, the fans.
Actually, it's a special edition of the power supply, but we included 3 different RGB fences and also a fan controller with it.
All right. Okay.
So you got 3 products in one box.
Oh, 3 products in one box. Right. Okay. So this is the controller that you have.
Actually, it provides 2 functions. One is the semi-fanless function.
All right. So silence, right? Quieter.
And also another one is fan delay function. Like when you shut down your computer,
All right.
it won't start.
It won't spin, and then in fact only when it heats up and then it spins to cool it down. All right. Nice. Okay.
And another one is like once you shut down your power, it will start remaining the spinning for about 40 to 60 seconds,
Right.
dissipating the remaining heat.
All right. Okay. That's cool. And this is the NMAX power supply, which is for the TUF Gaming Alliance. Okay. Again, this is a new kind of like a platform of gaming peripherals, motherboards, the whole line. It's a TUF Gaming Alliance range of products, not just from NMAX, but the whole range of manufacturers and vendors following this TUF Alliance gaming brand, so that it actually is compatible across the line no matter what. Excellent. Okay. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. In fact, oh, this is something interesting. What have you got here?
This is like we show the demo about our pump and other AIO pumps, what's the difference between us and others. As you can see here, like average AIO pumps only got 65 liters per hour.
Ah, right.
Now it's like 450 liters per hour. So it's like the demo about this.
So this actually demonstrates the power of your pump, right? It actually gives you more liters per hour via your pump versus on the market pump, which is only 65, you say, right? So you can see the difference filling up. This is from a standard pump, only 65 liters per hour. This one is a more powerful pump from NMAX, gives you 450 liters per hour. As you can see, much faster, much more water output. And do we stop? Yeah, it's going to overflow. Okay, cool. So this is something that you don't see.
This is the pump for LinkTech 2 and also the TR4. Do you know
Right.
the TR4?
I haven't seen this one, no.
This one we launched like this year, but this is especially for the AMD TR4 Threadripper.
Ah, right. Okay. So with Threadripper CPUs, as you know, it gets really hot, and you need a really good water cooling system or AIO. So this one has the 360 Liquidtech OCTR4. So this is the one that's, check that out. Very nice build, solid quality, nice and heavy, copper base. Yeah, and this gives you the 450 liters per hour.
Yes, and the TDP is up to 500 watts.
Up to 500 watts TDP, yeah. So If this thing gonna cool your CPU, I don't know what, but this is gonna be great. This is only designed for the Threadripper CPU TR4 socket. Okay, cool. And then the other ones?
The other two is for not only the Threadripper, but also for AMD and Intel.
AMD Intel, so obviously socket 1151, and then a socket AM4 for your AMD there. This is for the Intel, all Intel Core i7, i5s, and obviously i9s. This one has the 240 radiator.
We also got 360 also.
And also the 360 radiator. And check this all out, a white radiator. I haven't seen many of them around. Most of them are either black or black. This one's white with a white NMAX fan. So yeah, pretty nice.
And also the water brown can like sync with your motherboard.
Yeah, oh
So
yes, RGB and NMAX logo right there, see that there? This one then actually syncs with your motherboard as well. You can see the NMAX logo glowing there in RGB.
It also can reach the 500 kDP watt.
So the Liquid Max 2, all of the water block and pump there can reach up to 500 watts DDP. Okay, so
Because they use the same pump.
same pump, yeah. All right, so I think that's pretty much it for NMAX. So thank you for your time.